Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I've got my trunk for the month of August to share with you. It's pretty heavy. I do know what's inside because, yeah, you know I'm a peeker, but you do get a preview with your trunks too. I think I declined half of it again. This is my third month. I think it's my third month with the stylist team. And I still want my stylist Kayla back. That's all we'll say. I just want her back. Hopefully Trunk comes to their senses, or Nordstrom comes to their senses and gives us our stylist back. All right, let's move on from that. So yeah, I've got 2 pairs of shoes. I've got a pair of sunglasses. I've got a pocketbook. And of course I got some clothes. So let's dig in and see what she sent me. I should say she. I think a couple people sent me. Hang on. Okay, so this first top is by the brand Halogen. This is the square neck flutter sleeve top, $69, extra large, 100% polyester. So I have to tell you something. I'm standing here, right, talking to you guys about this top, and I'm like, something doesn't feel right. And I said this in the camera too. Like, something just feels off. I don't think it has a square neckline. And then it dawned on me, I had the top on backwards. If I still have that moment, I'll try to insert it to see if I can show you, because you may get a laugh out of it. Yep. So it does have a square neckline. Yep, it sure does. I don't know how I feel about the square neckline. What do you think? They can be hard for me to pull off. It does have the flutter sleeves, which I like. I like the print of this top. I like the length of this top. I don't like the price of this top. It's $69, and you know, I just don't know if I'd pay $69 for this top. Yes, I could layer it, but because it's not a love, I think I'm gonna pass. The back is very cute though. It does button all the way down the back. Doesn't button down the front like I originally thought. It buttons down the back. So I do like that detail. Let me show you. So it is a really pretty top. If it were like $40, it's not on sale, I checked the app. If it were maybe $40, then yeah. But I don't know if I'd pay $70 for this top. I know, it is leopard print, or cheetah print. I wasn't gonna say it, but I was gonna leave that unsaid because you all know how I feel about that print. I'm gonna pass. Yep, Kayla's gonna pass on a cheetah print top. Okay, let's move on to the next piece. Okay, so they sent me a pair of shorts. I thought I'd talk about those now. The shorts are by Caslon, and these are the utility shorts, size 16, color gray ebony, $45. They are very comfortable and they fit nice. I just don't know that I need a pair of shorts. It's August. It's the end of, well, it's about August. What's today? The 21st. So we're getting towards the end of August. It's already chilly here in the morning, although it is going to warm up again this week. I just don't know. $45. Okay, maybe if they were on sale, then I'd pay the sale price. I do like the color. I don't own a pair of gray shorts. I like the style of them. Let me show you the side. And I'll show you the back too. So I like them, but I just don't know that I need them. Yeah. If I had gotten these in the beginning of summer, then I totally would have kept them. But because it's August, I think this was a piece, because you know how you decline items and then they add pieces to your trunk after? I think this must have been added after I declined items. You know what I mean? Because I don't think I would have had them send me shorts, but I do like the color. All right, let me change into the next outfit. All right, let's talk about this dress from Halogen. It's the flutter sleeve mini dress, extra large, blue, $69, 100% polyester. Okay, I do like this dress. I love the color of this dress. I like the pattern of this dress. I love the V neckline. I love the flutter sleeve detail. What do you think about it? At first I thought, oh, there's like a little, I thought it was like a hole. I think it's just a camera because I thought it like puckered a little bit, but it doesn't. Nope. It's just, I don't know. It hits me right at about my knees, and I am 5'2". So what do you think? I could probably belt this too to give it even more shape if I wanted to, but I wanted you to see it just as it is. I think I'm gonna go upstairs and grab a white denim jacket to see how it would look with a white denim jacket. But you know, I don't know. I think I'm hesitating because I'll probably get another month's use out of this dress maybe. So maybe wear it twice this season, and then it probably won't get worn again until next spring. you know? I think that's why I'm hesitating. So let me know what you think about it. It is very pretty. Let me show you the back of it. So I do like it. Again, I think if I got this dress like May, June, even July, then I probably would have considered keeping it. But yeah, I think I'm good with summer clothes. But okay, let me give it a fair shot. Let me go grab my denim jacket, but it's still a white denim jacket, so it'll still look summery, but we're gonna do it anyway. Hang on. Okay, so here it is with the denim jacket. I think it's cute, but again, I still think it's very summery looking, don't you think? I think I'm gonna send it back. Yeah. Okay, I'm making easy decisions today. All right, let me change. I'll be right back. Oh boy, I have to be very careful with my movements. This is a true wrap dress. And boy, was I on the struggle bus when I was putting this on. I think it took me 15 minutes to try to figure out how to put it on, and I still don't think I put it on right. Terrible. Okay, let me talk about what it is. This is by, okay, I just had it, by Willow. The Helen Dolman sleeve wrap dress in terracotta extra large, $128. Woo! 76% rayon, 24% linen. Okay. Yeah, so this dress looked really cute on the model. Of course, it always does, right? But oh wow, nope. So it is, I think it said it's a midi dress, but it is long on me because I am shorter. I'm just being so careful because, yeah, like the ties kind of go through hoops inside, and got a little workout doing that. Yeah, it wasn't a pretty sight. So kind of goes through hoops. You got to pull it together. It's like baggy up here, and I don't want it to pop open up here, but it does have a modesty snap right here too. I love the material, I really do, and I think it's a pretty fall color. The dress is just not for me. Nope, I tied it tight. I know it looks like it's tied tight. It is, because I don't want an accident to happen on camera. That wouldn't be good, would it? And it does have, the sleeves are stitched up here, so it is a folded sleeve, and they are a folded cuffed sleeve. So here's the dress. I'm not really gonna say much more about it. I do like the material. The material feels really nice. I like the concept they were going for. It just doesn't, yeah, no, it doesn't work. Maybe it's just me, but it doesn't work. Oh gosh, yeah. You should have seen me struggling. Whew. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get it off either. All right, let me show you the back of it. So I could loosen the tie, but I don't know if I want to chance it. Let's see. No, I'm not gonna chance it because I mean, it's a true wrap. So we're not gonna chance that. All right, let me change. Okay, so I have the purse to show you, I have the sunglasses to show you, and the shoes. Oh, and a denim jacket. So I'm gonna change into my own clothes and we'll go over the accessories, so hang on. Okay, so this denim jacket's by Cut from the Cloth. It's the Helena denim jacket. It's in the color Gratitude. It's extra large, $79. Okay, it's okay. It would be a little snug. I don't fasten my denim jackets, but it still would be a bit snug. It doesn't feel snug. I'd wear it open like this, but you know, I just purchased a denim jacket a couple weeks ago, and it's probably in the same wash. Mine is probably a bit lighter, not too much lighter, and I like mine better. Mine was only like 21, 22 bucks too, so a little bit cheaper, and mine feels softer. So yeah, I'm gonna stick with mine. And let's cuff these sleeves. You know I gotta do that. I already unbuttoned it so we could cuff them. There we go. That's a better look, huh? So it is cute. I like the wash. It's got the pocket detail here. I like the buttons. I like the length of it. Let me show you the back. Yeah, I think the length of this is my favorite part. You know, because sometimes denim jackets can be too long. Like, I think my white one's a bit long. I do love my white one, but I like the length of this one. I do. All right, let me grab the sunglasses. Actually, they're right here. Let's talk about them. So here they are. Look at the case. Let's see what these are. The Bandwagon Polarized sunglasses, $69. Okay. It comes with, let me show you this. They're polarized. And it comes with a cleaning and care. That's nice. I like the case. It's kind of, it's a magnet. I think it's a magnet. Just pops closed. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this shape for me, so let's see. Oh, what do you think? Actually, I kind of like them. They're very comfortable. I'm gonna take the jacket off. It's a little warm. What do you think about the sunglasses? Oh, I think I like them. Yeah, I do. I hope that you can see them. Oh, I think they're cute. Should I keep them? How much were they? $70. Okay, so here's the deal. I am totally willing to pay for good sunglasses. I am. I'm very careful with my sunglasses. My sunglasses last me a long time. I'm not one that like throws my sunglasses around or, you know, sits on them. I'm very careful with them. I have a pair of sunglasses that I've had for a couple of years that I've paid good money for, so I'm willing to pay good money for sunglasses. I'm gonna have to watch back and see, and then I'm gonna go look in the mirror too. I'm on the fence, let me know. All right, I've got the, let me grab the purse, I'll show you that, hang on. Okay, so I asked my Stitch Fix stylist and my Trunk Club stylists for a tote. This is small, this is a very small bag. So this is by Soul Society. It's the Rubie Faux Leather Satchel in cream, $64.95. Even for a purse, I'm gonna be honest with you, this is too small for me. I love a big bag. This, I mean, it's okay, but I like big, so this wouldn't be for me. So I'm not gonna take the plastic off because I'm gonna send this one back. So let me just show you the inside. We'll do as best as we can. So it has a button snap closure here. Oh, look at the inside, look at the print. Oh, can I show you? Look how pretty. Oh man, I wish this was a bit bigger. That's a pretty print, huh? Okay, now it does have, it comes with a strap so you could wear it. You could put the strap so you could wear it longer. It does have pockets on the side. You know what, let me take the paper out because I can just stuff that back in so you can see the inside. So it's got pockets so you could put your cell phone and something else, and then it's got that zip pocket here. There's no other organization besides that. Look at the print. That's cute. That's my favorite part. It's a cute bag, but it's just small. Yep, it's too small for my liking. I know some of you are like, that's a pretty big bag, but I like the bigger tote bag. So yeah, I am gonna send this one back. Feels pretty nice though. All right, I have shoes to show you. I'm not gonna show you outside. Let me, you know, maybe we'll go inside right now and show you. Let me show you them close up, and then maybe for you it'll be the same time, so hang on. Okay, so in my preview, they had a pair of sandals that were flat. And the sandals were like 140, 150 bucks. And I declined them. And I said, I wouldn't pay that much for sandals, even if it were June or July, for flat sandals like this, because I like a heeled sandal. I may pay that for a heeled sandal or wedge if I loved it and if it was very special, but not for a flat sandal. Nope, I thought that was so crazy. So they sent me another pair of flat sandals, which, yeah. These are by Madewell. They are the Boardwalk Skinny Strap Sandal size 8, $59.50. So better than $150. So they are very strappy. They do have like the strap around the ankle, so they would buckle around your ankle. I will try them on for you inside. I think, did I tell you they're size 8? So they're cute, but again, I don't want to pay even 60 bucks. Was it 60 bucks? Even 60 bucks is a lot for sandals right now. And I don't think I'd pay 60 bucks for sandals. You know, I may not try them on. No, I'll try them on inside for you so you could see if you like them. I know I'm not going to keep these though, because I wouldn't pay $60 even in June or July for a flat sandal. I prefer, like I said, I don't feel like they have support either. They don't. Nope. So like I was saying, I wouldn't pay that for a flat sandal. I would pay it for a heeled sandal or a wedge because that's what I pull for and that's what I wear. All right, so you'll see those in a second. And then let's go over the other pair. Now these are promising. These are Steve Maddens, and I like Steve Madden. I'm eyeing a pair of Steve Madden booties right now that I may pick up. All right, let me show you these though. I didn't take it out yet. I should have done that, huh? That would have been smart. These are the Jadie Sandals size 8 in chestnut suede. They're $89.95. Again, I don't know if I want to pay that right now for sandals because it's August. Now, they probably would be good for next season, but I think they're cute, aren't they? I love the stacked heel look. It's a good size heel for me. I like the size. I love the color, the chestnut color. They are suede. They do buckle at the ankle, and they have a little bit of elastic too. They have kind of a square toe. I don't know how I feel about that. I didn't notice that at first. A rounded square. Does that make sense? We'll make it up. We'll go with it. I think they're cute. But again, you know, it's very hard for me to want to pay this much because I'm thinking ahead. Even though I love summer and I don't want summer to end yet, I'm thinking ahead to fall because my summer wardrobe is pretty much done. I mean, it is done. So I don't know that I want to add any more pieces. Although if these are comfortable, because they feel like they do have a bit of a cushion to them. So if these are comfortable, I may end up keeping these and just wear them next, you know, obviously I could probably get, you know, I could probably get another, it's August. So I can wear them through early October probably because I push it. I really push, I said this in my last video, I push my sandal wearing as long as I can. My birthday's in early November. I think I've gone sometimes to my birthday, maybe not out, but not out, you know what I mean? You know what I'm trying to say? But I just love sandals. So yeah, maybe. All right, let's see if I could try these on inside. I'll be right back. Okay, so this trunk came to me super heavy. It is going to be shipped back super heavy. I am not going to keep a thing from this trunk. It wasn't terrible, but nothing really jumped out at me screaming, keep me, except maybe these sandals. But I'm going to do a quick Google search and see if I can find these cheaper somewhere else. Oftentimes I can, and there's a lot of times that I can go on a website like, you know, shoes.com, even Zappos has them cheaper, and you can use coupons on those websites. So I'm going to do that. Yep. And the sunglasses, did I talk about those yet? I don't think I did. I liked them, but I didn't love them. No. So I am going to send those back too. I'll hold off and buy something that I absolutely love. I do wear sunglasses year round, but I want to love them because I wear them so much. And the clothing was just, you know, summer pieces and they weren't on sale. So it's going to go back. It's hard to purchase full price clothing right now when there's so many sales going on, especially like off-season clothing. You know what I mean? Well, it's not off-season because it's still summer, but my summer wardrobe is like complete. So I'm not going to add anything full priced. If it was a great piece that was unique and I absolutely loved it, then maybe, or if it was reasonably priced, you know, I've gotten some reasonably priced summer clothing in my recent boxes and I'll totally keep it if I love it. But because this was like, you know, Nordstrom has a pricey pieces and like 60, 70 bucks, I'm not gonna pay full price unless like, you know, I loved it. So bottom line, it's all going back in the trunk. I'm not gonna pause my trunks quite yet. Although, you know, maybe I should. Maybe I should just stick it out and pause it and shop for myself on Nordstrom because I do want to try out some fall clothing and I want some fall clothing in my boxes, but I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll pause it for a month. I don't know. I haven't made up my mind. All right, but I have made up my mind that everything's going back. So thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day and I'll see you in my next video.